Hi guys, Flo here, the consolist. In today's video I wanted to do something different. I think it was 2 months ago I bought a new game, a new old game for my Atari 2600, which requires a pedal controller, which I don't have. So I went onto Thingiverse and printed myself a pedal controller from a 3D model. I will put the link in the description down where I found this. So, and in today's video I want to make this look super old. And now, without any more waffle, let's get started. How do I want to do this? I want to use leaf metal, and in this case copper. And why do I want to do this? Yeah, because first I'm too lazy to sand this to my liking, and then you paint it, and it never really looks exactly like you want it to. So I want to go a complete different way and cover this in leaf metal. First, I think I fetch myself gloves, because you see you get this stuff everywhere. So I used leaf metal on a number of different other projects. I like to build like props made of foam, EVA foam or floor mat foam. That's another hobby of mine. So for this we need this. It's a seize for leaf metal, so that makes the leaf metal stick on whatever ground you want. Then I painted this red before, because in my experience the metal you apply to it looks better in case of gold or copper. For silver I tend to take a black. Now I cover this all in the seize and let it dry for about 15 minutes, and then I can apply the leaf metal. Yeah, normally I don't show things like that on the channel, but I think it's gaming related, so maybe someone is interested in this. And I think it was a good opportunity. I don't normally use this camera, but now I have another one, so I can film another angle, and I want to try it with a little bit of a relaxed project. So let's see how it turns out. I did all the wiring for this. If you're interested, please write in the comment, then I can show you how to do this, but it's really very simple. Yeah, I only have here the, you just need the button. You connect it to the connector, ground, and a pin, I don't remember which one. And here the potentiometer here, it's 5 volt and another pin, but you can find this on the internet. But if anyone's interested, I can show this more in detail. And I like these kinds of projects. It's like in between projects I normally do just for myself, but the last ones were, for me, were pretty stressful, and work is stressful, and so that's nice and relaxing. Maybe you like it and you find it relaxing to watch too. Then I can throw in these kind of projects more often if you want. Just write your thoughts in the comment section down below, and because I do not have that many comments, so I read each and every one of the comments, so and I try to answer everyone. So this leaf metal is super shiny, but I want to try to age it with acrylic colors, so let's see how that goes. And the problem is with my 3D printer at home, I print in PLA because I do it in the apartment, so ABS, I would love to print in ABS, but it stinks up all the room and all the rooms, so yeah. And I find this PLA stuff is pretty shitty to sand, and so I find other ways to work around that. Okay, so I apply the C's for the leaf metal. I leave this here to dry for about 15 minutes and then I report back to you and show you the process. Okay, see you in a bit. This is what it looks like. Super thin. And let's apply it. I'll take a brush like this. Let me zoom in a little and just very carefully and if there's a part you missed, you just apply the C's again, and then you can go over this. And if there's a part where it didn't stick, I don't care, because I will weather this and age it beyond recognition, so I don't care. I clean this off with a, I don't know, with a hoover, with a hoover or the vacuum cleaner, and then I do all the other parts. It's the same process, and then I'm back and I show you, I seal this and then I can age it. Okay, I will see you when all the other parts are plated. So now that's finished without too much leaf metal everywhere. Now we have these super shiny surfaces everywhere here. I think it looks pretty good. Not very old, but this will come. So now I want to seal this, that I don't want all these there are still little leaf metal particles floating around, and then that I can paint over it. So I take this, it's acrylic, for acrylic mediums, and yeah, because I want to play with it and I will touch it, I want to something that's good for your skin, so I take this stuff here. Shake it a little. And then I can go over this with paint, and then I will put another layer of this over it. So this stuff can be used very sparingly. A little goes a long way. And the good thing is it takes off the shine a little bit, because I don't want this to be too shiny. So I do this in a little, here with a little montage, and the other camera I will, yeah, it's a try, it's new to me, so I we'll see what I do in editing. So. So the pieces came out really great. It's all dry. Yeah, I hit it with a blow dryer because I'm super impatient. Yeah, and now I try to weather it, that it looks old. Let's see how that goes. For this I use just acrylic paints. Yeah, I looked at a few patinaed copper things. Yeah. Just apply this very watery and brush the rest off. So maybe I zoom in here a little. And then yeah, that's the procedure. Different colors, a little darker and green, and in the end I dirty it really up, so yeah. So now I think that looks pretty good, pretty convincing, I hope. Nice patina. So now I coat it again with this, and then I dirty it up with brown and black and okay. So now I'm pretty happy with this. I think they look great, but now I dirty them up a little bit, and yeah, because if they look old, they should be dirty. So let's do this. For this I use black and brown and a lot of water. And, do this with a little montage. If that doesn't look old, I don't know. So yeah, these came out pretty great. Yeah, first a boring 3D print, and now. So I dry these, then I seal these, and then I'm finished with this. So this was really nice. Okay, I finish it up and then I show you the final product. So guys, now it's all finished and put together. I think it came out very, very nice. And this is not a prop, it's actually a working working controller. I have to find a nice cord for it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, although it was a little bit different than the normal stuff I do, like fixing things or tinkering or modding. But this is a thing I like to do too, so I thought I'd show you. And this is gaming or retro related, so yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Maybe you want to see more of this, then you can write a comment down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up or consider subscribing if you haven't already. I thank you guys very, very much for watching this video, and I see you in the next one. Bye.